Okay, so let's be real. Have you ever tried posting content and you felt like you're just talking to yourself or to a wall and it just felt weird? I get it, I've been there. The influencer game is different in 2025. So if you're following last year's advice, you're already behind. But don't worry, because in this video, I'm gonna be giving you the real blueprint to becoming a successful creator this year. No fluff, just strategies that actually work. So grab your notebook, get a pen, because this is gonna be juicy. I have my laptop here just to make sure that I don't miss anything out. Most aspiring influencers actually quit because of these two things. They don't have a clear strategy and they have a bad time management. So please don't post randomly, praying for a viral moment. That is not a real strategy. You're just gonna be burning yourself out. I like to think that there are 3 types of creators here on TikTok. So choose one that resonates with you the most. Number 1 is we have the educator. So think of tips, think of tutorials, industry insights. And then number 2, this could be the entertainer. These are more like challenges, humor, storytelling. And then number 3 is the aesthetic creator. So think of ASMR, their vibes, their lifestyle. Which one do you resonate with the most? Comment down below. Once you've picked, your content strategy becomes 100 times easier. Now we're gonna do the step-by-step tutorial. Step number 1 is the 70-20-10 rule. So what's the 70-20-10 rule? So 70% of your content will be for people who aren't following you. This is what I like to call the mass audience. They don't follow you, they don't care about you, but you have to create content that resonates with them. 20% will be personal storytelling. So this is content for people that already know you. And then 10% is the experimental content. You're basically gonna be trying different kinds of videos, formats, just to see which one is working. Step number 2 is platform prioritization. There's Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Pinterest, Twitter, so much platforms with different algorithms. In 2025, short-form video is still king, but long-form content builds trust and makes your community stronger. So to avoid the overwhelm, I want you to prioritize just one platform for short-form content. So let's say you're gonna be prioritizing TikTok. Whatever you post on TikTok, you're just gonna be repurposing it and posting it on Instagram Reels. Same content, download it through Snaptic, and then post it to your Instagram. Another example is YouTube. So if you're gonna be creating long-form content, then create shorter videos to turn into short-form content. Then you can post it to the second platform that you're prioritizing, which could be Instagram, TikTok, etc. Step number 3 is the batch and repurpose system. If you are struggling with time, you need to batch create your content. You have to be self-aware. Try to find time one day in your whole week to create, plan, and film your content so that for the rest of the week, you can basically just post it in one go. So one filming session equals 7 pieces of content. So edit smart, repurpose, and keep showing up. Now we're gonna be talking all about growth. The secret to growth. We already know that posting is not a strategy. It's basically about engagement loops. How can you make the person watching your video either like, comment, or share the video? This is how you're gonna be doing it. You can, number 1, ask questions in your captions. Number 2, reply to every comment. It encourages people to comment on your video because they know that you reply. Don't be that creator that doesn't reply. You can also encourage people to share this video or to share your video to someone that may resonate with it. Now you have the blueprint, but knowledge without action is basically useless. So here's your challenge. Pick one tip from this video and apply it this week. Then come back to this video and tell me how it worked. And if you want part 2 on monetization strategies, let me know in the comments. Like this video, hit that subscribe button for more videos just like this, and I hope you enjoyed this video.